doing unbox iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I just got it. I bought it from online and then I've come pick up at the store. So let's unbox this one. By the time you're watching my vlog, you may know already where I'm staying at. Just in case you didn't know, I'm staying at Amdang, Bangkok Riverside. As you can see, behind me is Chao Phraya River. It's very nice and beautiful. If you want to check that out, I will leave the link around here and here. Alright, so let's see how the iPhone do. So I have something to tell you that this is my first ever iPhone I never owned. So the reason why I bought 12 Pro Max is because I really like the camera of it, and I think I want to investment on doing the vlog. So we'll see how it turn out. หวัดดีสิริส่งข้อความหวัดดีสิริวันนี้อากาศเป็นไงบ้างหวัดดีสิริตั้งเวลานับถอยหลัง3 นาทีหวัดดีสิริเปิดเพลง To be honest, I don't really like the sound better. I like Google sound better. This is my first iOS phone. I've always used Android, and I decided to buy at 12. And then suddenly they don't give you the charge. They give you this one, but they don't give you the chargers. I mean, how lucky am I? But you know, like, I'm one of the rare customer that how can you never had iPhone before? Like, it had been like 12, not 12. I don't know how many of them, but yeah, there have been so many, and you don't have the iPhone yet. They must think like how crazy I am. So yeah, so I already unboxed this one for you, and I'm gonna try to film with this one. I will see how the quality in this one going. Alright, I'm gonna turn this camera off. Wow, alright, so this is what the footage look like. It's looking amazing. I don't know why. I thought maybe because I'm doing makeup, that's why I'm looking so beautiful, but I try in the store, I look shit. But look at this background, look at the light. I mean, it's not even that bright. Come on, it's not even that bright. Yeah, so let's try if I facing wait, I need to try this quick. So I'm facing, this is like the bright spot. I'm facing the bright light, and I'm gonna turn around. They said they have like all the like light adjusting, like, I mean, too. I mean, it's not worse, but it's not great. But when it hit the light, look at that. Look at that, so pretty. Like, this is the light. Turn around. I don't know about you guys, like, I'm a new user, so, but normally, like Android, when you turn, your whole face go black. But this one, you can still see me a little bit with the dark background. I think it's worked, so I'm gonna try and put the mic. I also bought the microphone. I'm gonna try and put the microphone, see how it works. I bought the Rode microphone, which I'm gonna be turning on. Alright, so right now I'm putting the microphone on. I'm not sure if it's working or not, but I'm gonna go and try sit in the balcony and see if you can hear the sound of the river, and can you hear the sound of a boat. First, let me set it up. Very nice. Oh my god, now is the moment of truth. The light hit. Oh my god, I think this is like, oh my god, the camera quality is crazy, bro. Like, look at me. I look so oily, like, you can see every detail in my face. Like, you're not gonna see that from the camera that I just shoot. I don't know, but what do you think? Can you hear me good? I also put like wind protect on my microphone. If I do like this, can you hear me? I'm not quite sure. So this is without the microphone. This is without the microphone, and I'm gonna try with microphone. Okay, so this is with microphone. I'm gonna try. See. Alright, so we are going down for dinner. ดูมันสีแปลกๆไหมสีมันออกเหลืองๆนี่นะครับ dinner in the hotel. I kind of want to be in one of them. It would be so fun to have a like dinner on the boat. On camera it's not that good, but anyway.
ดีมากเลย
ฮะ
ข้าวดี
ข้าวนิ่มเหรอข้าวอะไรเนี่ย good right.
Alright, so that is it for today's video. If you like this type of video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell button to get the notification for the next video that coming up. And if you are interested on purchase my 2021 calendar, go check it out. It's under the description and under comment. Until next time, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
Put your head on my shoulder.